So welcome to our CSS video. Here we are going to see something called as visibility property. Okay. Today we are going to see about visibility property in CSS. Okay. By default, all elements are visible, or we can call it as display property also. Okay. The display property is also there for understanding. Okay. By default, all elements are visible to you. Now, how to hide the elements, we'll see in this video. So for that, what I'll do, I'll just come here to the desktop. We'll go to the desktop, and desktop will go to the full stack. And here in CSS, right click, open with code. Then here I can just come here and I can remove positions, and I can just start with this. Let us imagine I want to show you something called as visibility.html. Okay, enter. And I can just wrap it up, and I can just write this one. And I can just write to show you h1 element visibility. Okay, visibility of the elements. Okay, visibility of the elements, we'll see. So elements can be, visibility property can be of two types. It can be visible or hidden. Okay, it can be hidden or visible. Means the element can be hidden. So let me just come here and we'll just have few images for the test purpose. Okay, image, and we can have 3 images for the test purpose. And let me just come here and we'll take this image. Okay, copy image address. Let me just get this image only. So we'll just paste this image. We'll just paste this image, and we'll just paste this image. And let's make a height for this. So I can just use the multi-cursor functionalities. I can click Alt and I can keep on clicking here. Okay, so I can just add multi-cursor functionalities. So I can just use the Alt keyword and keep pressing the cursor. So I can just write, okay, width. I can just write 100 pixels, or else we'll make it as 300 pixels. Simple. I can click anywhere else, or I can right click, open with live server. So what will happen? It shows the visibility of elements, but it has not applied width. Let's make it 100, 100, and 100. Hopefully now it is there. So although we have zoomed in a bit, right? That's why we are saying this way. So we have zoomed 300%. So this is the visibility of element. So what I'll do is I'll just give a special ID. Okay, ID img. Okay, now I am writing ID img. So here I can come to style tag, and I can just tag the ID img. Okay, to select the ID, I need to use hash selector. Then I can just write visibility. Okay, visibility hidden. If I just do this, you can see my image has been gone from here. Okay, although the size and space will be kept secured, the image is not visible for us. So it's just make the element not visible. It hides the element, but the element is present in the DOM. Okay, the element is present in the DOM. What is DOM and DOM manipulation, we'll see in the next video. But for now, the element will be present in the DOM. Let us say if you want to remove it from DOM also, just you can write display none. Okay, display none is one property. So now the element is not there in the grid also. You can see one element is there, one element is there. The third image is lost. Okay, due to display property. If I just right click and inspect these properties here. Okay, let me just right click and make it in the sidebar. And you can get one thing. Let us select this image, and you can see if I just remove this property, the image comes back, but it is still hidden. If I just remove this also, it is again visible. So we are having this visibility and display properties, which we have discussed in this video.